Hi everyone, so I'm back with a little video here. This is just to show you the little 10-page kit that I've put together that will be listed for sale over on my coffee shop. So it's just 10 pages of like French ledgery style papers with floral backgrounds. There's no tags or anything like that, but you can obviously make tags and pockets and envelopes out of them. You can do all sorts of things. I'll do a couple of videos in the next couple of days using the papers to make things. So I'm just going to quickly show you these. I do also have a freebie floral kit as well if you want to check that out. I will put that on the actual listing so that you can click on that and it will take you straight there. So there's that one and that one, and we've got this lovely kind of, is that like a daisy or something? No, it's not a daisy, but it's a lovely flower there. And then we've got this and this one. So 10 pages. I've printed these with a border because that was what my printer settings was the last time, but you can print them borderless if you wish. So I've only got like one nail on each thumb. They're all pinging off because I don't pay a lot of money to get my nails done, but I couldn't get them off, so I've just left them. I have to soak them in some warm water. So yeah, that's the kit. Little 10-page kit, cheap as chips, £1.25. And like I said, I will put the listing to the other one on the freebie one that I have. I'll put that on there as well. So if you bought this one and then get the freebie one, you've got loads of different backgrounds for making lots of different things. So yeah, there we go. Links will be below. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.